Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Morphe 35B palette. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So we're going to start off with eyeshadows today, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this shade here and apply that as my transition shade in the crease. So I'm ever so slightly bringing this round and I'm kind of just joining it into the outer corner. I'm not going to be dragging this straight out because that's what the liner is going to do. So I'm next going to take this shade here, and as you can see this is one of my favourite shades in the palette because I've already hot pan on it. And I'm going to use that and apply that in the crease just here, and this is going to give the eye some definition. Then I'm just picking back up that transition shade and I'm just ever so slightly just buffing the edges of that shade we just applied. So you want to keep building up that crease colour here and then blending it out with the transition shade, because this is going to give it a really nice effect when we cut the crease with concealer. So I'm next going to dip into this shade here, and I know we're keeping this as a pink eye look, but I'm going to add a tiny little bit of purple into the outer corner just here, and this is going to kind of just draw it all together. So literally that is all you need there. Then picking up my crease brush and I'm just ever so slightly blending those edges up the way. So I'm next going to go ahead and cut the crease, and you all probably know the drill by now, but I love to use the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer, and this is in the shade called Ivory. So now that we've got that concealer all over the eyelid, I'm next going to jump over and use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to start off by using this shade here and apply that all over that concealer shade. And you could totally use your highlighter if you don't have this palette, because I know I'm basing it on the Morphe 35B palette, so you could probably just use your highlighter shade or something that's just a little bit similar to this shade here. So I'm next going to dip into the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and I'm going to use that to create a wing. So I'm next dipping back into the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm taking this shade here back on the pencil brush and I'm just applying it to the outer corner. Then taking the crease brush again and just blending it back in. I absolutely love creating these colourful looks, and I don't really do them a lot over on my YouTube because I just don't feel like everybody wants to wear like colour. But you can let me know in the comments if this is something that you guys would like to watch, or you can let me know some colours as well that you'd like to see in some looks. So I quickly just popped off camera and put on some mascara and lashes, and these lashes are from the brand called SOSU and they're in the style called Milan. So I'm next going to go on to finishing off the bottom lash line, and I'm going to use the 35B palette again, and we're taking this shade here as a transition shade underneath, then focusing this one closest to the lashes. So I'm next going on to adding some mascara to the bottom lashes, and I'm using the Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. So now that the eyes are finished, I'm next going to move on to highlighter, and the highlighter palette I'm using is by Huda Beauty, and it's in the shade called Pink Sands, and I'm going to use the shade called Azores on the tops of the cheekbones, and then using Santorini on the brow bone and inner corner. So to finish off the whole look, all that's left to do is my lips, and I'm going to use the NO7 Lip Precision pencil, and then on top of that I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in the shade called Amazing Grace. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you're new, and also comment below any video suggestions you'd like to see from me in the next coming weeks, and I'll definitely get filming them for you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye!